Hello, what's up, everybody? It's Travel Vet, and I am coming to you live. Well, not live. Coming to you from a beautiful place with something super important. Listen, we all know that traveling to a new place, especially for the first time, can be equal parts exciting and totally nerve-wracking. You're trying to navigate a new city, maybe even a new language, and hoping you don't end up sleeping in the airport because you missed your flight. That's why today, I'm hooking you up with the ultimate travel hack 10 must-have apps that will seriously upgrade your travel game. And make sure you stick around until the end because I've got a surprise that'll have you booking your next trip ASAP. First up, we're tackling the travel essential that'll have you feeling like your own personal assistant, TripIt. You know that feeling when you book a flight, then a hotel, maybe a train ticket, and suddenly you're drowning in confirmation emails? Yeah, TripIt feels your pain. This app is the king, the queen, the everything of travel organization. You literally just forward all those confirmation emails to TripIt and bam! It magically transforms them into one beautiful, easy-to-read itinerary. No more frantically searching through your inbox for that one booking number while you're sweating bullets at the check-in counter. TripIt keeps all your travel details in one place. Flights, hotels, car rentals, even restaurant reservations. And the best part, it's completely free. An organized traveler is a happy traveler, and who doesn't want that? Next up, we've got a dynamic duo, Google Maps and Google Translate. These two are like the Batman and Robin of travel apps. Google Maps is your local tour guide. Find the best spots and download maps for offline use. And Google Translate? Say goodbye to communication barriers. Translate text, have conversations, or use your camera to read signs. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Or more specifically, how not to blow your entire travel budget on souvenirs and overpriced lattes. Guilty. That's where Trail Wallet swoops in to save the day. If you're anything like me, you start a trip with the best of intentions. I'm gonna stick to my budget this time, you tell yourself. And then you get caught up in the excitement of it all, and suddenly you're knee-deep in gelato receipts wondering where it all went wrong. Trail Wallet is here to break that cycle. This app helps you track your spending, set daily budgets, and make sure you don't come home to a mountain of credit card debt. Now, let's talk about where you're going to rest your weary traveler head after a long day of exploring. Sure, hotels have their place, but if you're looking for a more authentic local experience, and who isn't, then Airbnb is your new best friend. Airbnb has completely changed the travel game, offering up everything from cozy apartments to tree houses to freaking castles. There's something for every budget and every travel style. But the real magic of Airbnb lies in connecting with local hosts. These are people who know their city inside and out, and they're a goldmine of insider tips and recommendations. Plus, staying in a local neighborhood gives you a chance to really immerse yourself in the culture and experience the city like a resident, not just a tourist. All right, let's be real. One of the best parts of traveling is trying all the amazing food. Am I right? But who wants to waste precious stomach space on a mediocre meal? Not this girl. That's where Yelp comes in, your trusty sidekick in the quest for culinary greatness. Forget those generic tourist traps. Yelp will lead you straight to the local gems, the hole-in-the-wall eateries, the places where the food is so good it'll make you want to lick the plate clean. Don't worry, we won't judge. You can read reviews from other diners, check out photos of the food, and even see what dishes are the most popular. Trust me, following the locals' recommendations is a surefire way to have an unforgettable dining experience. Okay, let's talk about everyone's least favorite part of traveling: airport stress. Delayed flights, cancellations, lost luggage. It's enough to make even the most seasoned traveler want to crawl under a rock and hide. But fear not, my friends, because FlightAware is here to keep you one step ahead of the game. This app gives you real-time updates on delays, gate changes, and even weather conditions. With FlightAware, you'll be the first to know if there's a change of plans, giving you precious extra time to adjust your itinerary. All right, let's be real. If you don't Instagram your travels, did they even happen? Just kidding. Kind of. But in all seriousness, Instagram is the perfect platform to share your adventures with the world, and maybe make your followers a little bit jealous in the process. But it's more than just posting pretty pictures, although let's be real, that's a big part of it. Instagram is an incredible source of travel inspiration. You can follow other travelers, discover hidden gems, and get ideas for your next big adventure. We're living in a digital age, my friends, and staying connected while you're on the road is more important than ever. But roaming charges? Yeah, no thanks. That's where Wi-Fi Map comes in, your secret weapon for finding free Wi-Fi hotspots wherever you go. Need to check your email, upload a killer Instagram post, or just want to browse the web without worrying about your data limit? Wi-Fi Map has got you covered. It's like having a sixth sense for finding free internet, and trust me, your wallet will thank you. Okay, let's talk about something that's often overlooked in the age of instant gratification, actually taking the time to reflect on your experiences and capture those travel memories in a meaningful way. And no, I'm not talking about another generic Facebook album. Day One is a beautiful journaling app that's perfect for documenting your travels. You can write about your adventures, upload photos and videos, and even tag locations. Years from now, when you're reminiscing about your travels, you'll be so grateful you took the time to capture those memories in a way that you can revisit again and again. Okay, I know, I said 10 apps, but consider this a bonus tip from your travel vet. The most important travel tool you have is your sense of adventure. So download these apps, pack your bags, and get out there and experience all the amazing things the world has to offer. And there you have it, 10 essential travel apps for new travelers in 2025. Use these tools to make your adventures easier, more affordable, and even more fun. But remember, the real magic of travel happens when you step outside your comfort zone, embrace the unknown, and allow yourself to be fully present in each moment. So get out there, explore, try new things, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Surprise! If I get at least 10 comments below with your favorite travel tips, I will do a part 2 of this video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.